Hey guys, my name is Avigat and in this video I'll be writing a Java program to print a table of 4 in this format. So let's start with the program. Okay, so basically to print out the table of 4 in that format that I mentioned at the start of the video. So basically I'll have to write a for loop for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 because 4 is multiplied by 1, 4 is multiplied by 2, 4 is multiplied by 3. So the 4 is constant but the number is being multiplied by that is increasing by 1 each time. So that's going to be the for loop I'm going to write. So to basically write the for loop I'll have to say for, and within the bracket I will begin writing my 3 statements. So the first statement is declaring the variable. So I'll write int I is equal to 1 because to start off we always say 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So I'll have to say I is equal to 1 semicolon, then I'll say I is less than or equal to 12 because I want the loop to run until 4 multiplied by 12, and the third statement will be I plus plus because we're increasing the value of I every time. So I becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now the for loop is done. I'll write my curly braces and within this I'll say system.out.println, and to basically write the output in this following structure, the first thing I'll have to do is write quotations and I'll say 4 multiplied by, I'll add a space, plus I, which is the value of I that we're getting from the for loop. Then I'll add a plus again and here I'll say is equal to, then plus again, and within the brackets I will add 4 multiplied by I because in this program I'm calculating the table of 4, so it will always be 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 3, and that is the value of I. So the program is done over here. Let me compile this and let's check the output. Void main, here it's showing me the table of 4. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, up till 4 times 12, which is 48. So guys, yeah, that is all for this video. If you want the code, it will be available on my website, avigatgupta.com, so make sure you check it out. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them as soon as possible. And if you learned something new, please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.